banking on using our income if we want to pay.
Okay, I'm being pressured to film things, so hello. I'm just having lunch by a creek. We've just left Roan Mountain Village. It's got a very nice brewery, but they rip you off at $7 a pint. Don't let them make a tab, because you won't know the price of the beer until you pay, and then you realise that it's $7 a pint, which is a piss take. This is what lunch typically looks like because it's been mashed in your bag. Yummy. And this is what a fairly good water source looks like, though there's no leaf or slope. So actually, no, this isn't that good. Ignore that. It's good enough. This is now what we wear on a daily basis. Barely any clothes because it's so hot. I've got a little curl there. So I've sent some of my hotter stuff away, maybe a little bit. One long sleeve. A lot of stuff. That's all I can think of right now. If I think of anything later, I'll let you know. Okay, I'm not using my sticks today very much because the decline is really nice. So it's nice to have my hands a bit freer. It rained like crazy last night, but this is actually, now it's stopped raining, the best hiking weather. So, well, I mean, the sun started coming out now, which obviously everyone likes the sun, but it's actually a bit nicer when it's overcast and rainy. It's a bit cooler, believe it or not, despite my attire. Sorry about that, a bit inappropriate. But we're just going to see a waterfall in a minute, so I'll show you that. I'm stomping off ahead because I lost so much weight from my pack. Yeah. I sent my hammock set up ahead of me because it's so heavy. I regret it big time. So for now, I'm going to be relying on shelters a little bit, which isn't ideal, of course, but I've got a bit of a reputation for when people say there's no room in the shelter. There's a room in the shelter. I will sleep at your feet. I will sleep by your head. I will sleep on you. There's room in that shelter. You just want a double bed's worth of room. Don't think so. I'm getting in. So, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And also I have a friend's tent that I can kind of stay in now and again. So I'm gonna do that for a bit and figure out my options. Maybe get something a bit lighter weight. I've seen some of the MSR tents and the Big Agnes tents. The nylon doesn't entirely appeal to me, but I don't really have the money to be spending $600 on a Z-Packs style tent, even though I will admit they're amazing. There's no denying that. They're really, really nice. Cuban fibre is much better material, stays taut, doesn't sag, doesn't let rain in. Yeah, really nice tents. But I can't afford it, unfortunately. So I'm going to have a look at some of the other options. If any of you guys have a suggestion for a nice tent, let me know. Oh, I can hear the waterfall now. Okay, I'll show you when I get to it. Ooh, it was tipping it down last night and it's tipped it down a little bit over the past week, so this waterfall's going to be heavy salad. Jones Falls. Jones Falls. I'll keep you posted. I got you. Jones Falls, Tennessee. Ooh. Oh. Look. Ah. Woo. Dinner time in the woods. My God, dangerous. Everyone's having dinner. He's in bed. Rice pasta blend with broccoli in a chicken flavoured sauce. Flavoured spelt wrong, without a U, obviously. Putting on wet, muddy, squelchy shoes and socks is not the one. But it's not raining today, so they might dry out as we walk. Oh. Love this shelter, by the way, in Tennessee. And whoever did this is a dream boat. There's a poo shovel because there are no privies in Tennessee, other than at the Big Red Barn. One privy. Poo shovel. He doesn't like the cut of our jib at all.
We could hold him.
Are you gonna do Brittany?
Huh?
Brittany.
What's that?
When she holds the snake in Slave Fear? Britney Spears? Brittany who? Oh dear. You going?
Stuff on him though.
Oh! And there's a toad.
This is what he's waiting for. I want to feed the snake.
No, do not. I love toads. They're my favourite things. Oh no, no, no! Oh! Where did it go?
Nat Geo, yo.
Nat Geo, yo. Don't. Where did the toad go?
I don't know.
I'm serious.
I don't know.
God. Oh God. Goodbye. Nice to meet you.